What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I think have some opportunities. Everything that I'm going to state in this video is just my personal opinion, and always do your own research before investing any money. And I'm not a financial advisor, this is not a financial advice, and this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. And also, if you can do me a favor, if you can follow me on my Twitter, I would really appreciate it. So first project is called Sapphire, and it has 777 Genesis NFT alpha, and I would turn on notification. We invest 80% of profit into utilities for this project, so it looks like all the profits that they're gonna make, it's gonna be invested back into the same project for utilities, and profits they're talking about from secondary sales, because this is a free mint. Of course, they're not gonna make any money off the mint. All the money they're gonna be making, it's gonna come off secondary sales. And if we scroll down here, as you can see, this post was made on July 21st, and it has quite a bit of interaction. 2600 likes, 2200 retweets, and 600 comments. And this is a pre-mint link, so if you press on it, the new page will appear and you can just register to win a free mint whitelist spot. So this is one of the projects, and looks like this is going to be like a either NFT alpha group or something like that. At least that's what they're stating here. Second project, it's called CatlessNft free mint NFT. Again, there is not a website, there is only Discord link, and it's going to be open for 48 hours. Most likely after that it's going to be private or locked, I'm not really sure. And then if we scroll down here again, this post was posted a while back, but it has 6,000 likes, 2700 retweets, and 3300 comments. And if we scroll down more, as you can see right here, they're doing different collabs with different projects, and then with little Jira and some other whitelist spots giveaway on their Twitter account. So this is another project that I think it's not hard to get a whitelist spot. And the last project, it's called Randoms. So there's not a whole lot about this project. It just says random collection of 2432 NFTs. They joined in July, free mint July 31st, 1 p.m. East Central Time. So I'm assuming this is a mint date. I just really like this art and all the colors in it. And if we scroll down more, looks like every post is a whitelist spot or free mint access giveaway. So I think it's also not too late and very easy to get a whitelist spot for this specific project. And that's all I got for you guys. If this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.